baby goat is called a kid.
With a meh-meh here, a meh-meh there, here a meh, there a meh, everywhere a meh-meh.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
and on his farm was a baby cow,
E-I-E-I-O.
A baby cow is called a calf.
With a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there.